In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ambient music in Suno AI. We'll start by crafting a clear style prompt, then we'll bring it into Suno, write some lyrics with the help of an AI assistant, and finally generate your track. Open your browser and head to Google. Search for the official ChatGPT site and open it. In the chat box, ask it to write a style prompt tailored for ambient music. Be specific about mood, tempo, and instrumentation so Suno understands the vibe. For example, you might request a serene, introspective ambient style at around 60 BPM, with evolving pads, gentle textures, soft drones, and minimal, wordless vocals. Submit your request and give it a moment to respond. When the style prompt appears, highlight it and copy it to your clipboard. Now switch over to Suno AI and choose Create. In the Styles field, paste the prompt you just copied. This is the creative direction Suno will follow, so the more descriptive and focused it is, the better. If you prefer a different feel, brighter, darker, more spacious, adjust the text accordingly before moving on. Next, let's write lyrics that match the mood. Go back to the ChatGPT page and ask for original lyrics in an ambient style. Specify the theme you want. For instance, you could request lyrics about feeling grateful for someone while keeping the language gentle and atmospheric. Submit your prompt and wait for the response. Ambient vocals often work best when they're sparse and evocative, so shorter lines and simple imagery tend to fit the genre nicely. Once you're happy with the result, highlight the lyrics and copy them. Return to Suno and find the lyrics section. Paste your lyrics there. If your style prompt leaned toward wordless vocals, you can keep the lyrics minimal or even use a few repeating phrases for a meditative feel. When everything looks good, click Create. Suno will process your settings and generate your music. This can take a moment, so be patient and let it finish. When the track is ready, listen closely to the textures, pacing, and how the vocals sit in the mix. If it's not quite right, refine either the style prompt or the lyrics and try again. Small tweaks, like adjusting the tempo, clarifying the mood, or simplifying the language, can make a big difference. And that's it. You've created an ambient piece in Suno AI using a focused style prompt and complementary lyrics. Enjoy exploring your sound.